Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Gavin with GearShade here. Here we offer sunshade tops with built-in storage pockets above the driver's and passenger's head. We offer many colors, easy installation, and fully custom printing available on all Jeep models. If you guys want to come with me, take a look on this Jeep up here. I can go ahead and show you how it looks. On all of our Jeeps, we offer a full and half shade top. The half shade would just cover the front two passengers, where the full shade would head all the way back to the rear there. It's super easy installation. It's bungee cords that go all around the roll bar, no hardware, no unscrewing anything. Super simple. And once you install it, you leave it on there with the hard or soft top. You can take it on, take it off whenever you'd like to, but it's not required to be taken off. If you want to come over here, take a look with me here. So here's that bungee cord we were talking about right here. It's super easy installation. Depending on your Jeep, there's a handful of them around the area. And then just here is the built-in storage pocket above the driver and passenger head. That storage pocket is water resistant. You can throw your phone in there whenever you're off-roading and it might start raining on you. You don't have to worry about it getting all wet. It's a zippered pocket, pretty large in size. You can fit many of your items in there. Pretty awesome. Here's an example of some of our custom printing available. You can send us any file you'd like to, print anything on there, within reason, of course. And we have many color options available. Come on, check us out, guys, at GearShade, gearshade.com.